What's up, guys? This is my XR 200R. It's in pretty good condition. Needs minimal to none work or no work. There's a few things wrong with it. There's a grip that ripped just on the end, but that's no biggie. You fixed easy. Right here, this is the decompression cable, and that snapped. But what that does is when you kickstart it, it'll pull back just like that, which will decompress the engine, which makes it really easy to start. And so it's kind of a tough thing to start right now, but I'll start it up for you guys. I got it for $600, and it's in great condition. Brand new tires, brand new tubes, just minimal scratches on the bodywork, which I'm gonna buff out later. But yeah, I just got it and it runs great. But it's kind of hard to start, you know, big old 4-stroke bike with no decompressor. So yeah, I'll start it for you guys right now. So I'm still working on the idle, but for right now, idle's just fine. Sometimes it will die, but that's only when you just let it idle. But that's no problem. All I gotta do is just adjust that screw right there, and it will be fine. But yeah, it's a great bike. I would totally recommend it. It's not a beginner bike. It's pretty tall. I like it. It's a great bike. A lot of fun. You can do wheelies. That R actually stands for racing. Even though it's a 1999, it's really fast for its bike. Yeah, there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed.